Must be.
No? There's nobody there.
क्या हुआ?
Legit.
Oh shit.
Hello, people. Oh, look at those hearts. All of them hearts. Surprise again. So I had this amazing event today. It was a webinar with the Entrepreneurs Organization Indore. Lovely people, fabulous questions, had a wonderful, heartfelt conversation. And then I said, as you know always, तैयार तो हम हो ही रखे हैं. Let's go live. How are you doing? You good? Who's going to read all these comments? How do we read?
मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ तो it's giving me that filter. See? I'm not turning.
Perfect.
I'm not turning my neck.
See, it's not doing on.
Because it's got on Alisa now.
Okay, wait. No.
Okay then. What does it say? Hi. Take my name, please. Hi, Babu. Fire.
All good.
All good. I'm so glad you all are doing well, yeah? I was dying to have some coffee. And do you guys drink a lot of coffee?
What? What did I?
Your expression, you're saying. You're naughty. I know, her expression is permanently like this. You should try her like a whole day of saying Alisa. She's got expression 101 and 105, which is very expressive. Are you reading? Rensa, what are they saying? There's so many. Hi, how are you guys? We are fine. Yeah. We are fine.
I
And
also want coffee. It's a comment.
be my guest. Coffee date?
बहुत
Anyone?
कड़वी होती है मत पीना.
हाँ, मेरी वाली थोड़ी कड़वी बनती है.
तू बता रहा है. You should know, no?
Wait, what?
Yeah, I like my coffee to be strong.
I love her name.
Alisa, you like Alisa's name?
It's so good.
Or you like my name? Yeah. My name is a nice name. It means a beautiful smile. Actually, Sushmita has got many, many meanings. Beautiful eyes, beautiful smile, and a good friend. So, yeah. You didn't know?
No, I only thought beautiful smile.
You girls need to know a little bit more about your mother's name. I just think.
I always
Anyway, my daughter, this one, doesn't even know her mother's birthday.
Oh
No, it's a fact, it's a fact.
You're
it's a fact.
sure?
And
No,
it's
that
terrible.
happened by accident. Okay,
Accident?
Nine
1975 born, she said 1957.
Seven.
मतलब हद होती है of a mistake. I'm her Nanna also now. Mama and Nanna. 57 born. Like that she is. Then, how are you doing? Visit Pakistan, inshallah. And daughters are pretty and so cute. I agree. I agree. My daughters are very pretty and very, very sweet.
Even she's cute.
And when they're not naughty, they're very nice people. Like really nice people. And then everything that I am saying for them is also true about background. Mr. Roman Chol.
Mommy, see.
Thank you.
Actually, listen, guys. I am dying to tell you about Arya. I know that every time I come on, I tell you soon. But since you guys have just bombarded my timeline with wanting to know when, let me just tell you the last schedule is left for Arya, and it's not a very long one, so it should be done very, very soon. Back to soon. But more than soon, what is important is that the amount of love and appreciation you've given Arya. When we come back, you have to love season 2. है ना? So, अच्छी चीज़ों के लिए wait करना पड़ता है ना? And what are you saying? Oh, hello.
Dad, do something.
उनका पढ़ना पड़ता है ना? You?
Hey, why is that thing
What
not
is that
coming to
saying?
your face? वो छोड़ो. मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, it's coming to mine.
No,
Why is
no,
not coming to your
fully
face?
tell.
अरे.
Ah, let's come. Finally. Look, this really suits me.
है ना?
Now you can take it back.
No, it's not. See, जो आपके पास आया फिर वो वापस नहीं आता.
Ah, there you go.
See, it didn't leave you. It didn't leave you.
I'm done.
So how do I get rid of this now?
Look at your face.
Ah!
See, I can.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, now what is it saying? क्या कह रहे हैं? It goes very fast.
You glow like a sun.
Aww. Thank you, Babu.
You are
If you're
looking
happy and you know it, glow
Clap
like
your
a sun. Glow like a sun.
But that's for you, no? We'll clap back.
I love you too, yeah. Banini.
Man, you're looking gorgeous.
Thank you, Jan. Lots of getting
Why are you
ready.
laughing when you're saying she's looking good?
Sorry, something got me.
Actually, listen, I'm trying to get myself a new playlist of music, and I am not liking very much the playlist that
I have
Rene
helped
Sen
you
and
with
Alisa
so-
Sen have
I
given
gave
me.
you
No,
such
I'm
a good
saying.
song. I gave us such
I
a
have
good
I've
song.
got-
suggestions.
Dancing to it.
We don't get beyond one
I
song
mean-
because you like it and you listen to it on repeat.
See,
How
I
are you
gave
giving
mom a
her
song.
other songs the
I gave
chance?
mom a song and mom was doing this and she liked it. She said she liked
I
it.
played 2 songs. You liked it.
And I played one song today. You liked
So
it.
you see how quiet and peaceful this house is.
We're very
You say
peaceful,
one
very
thing,
quiet.
5 different versions of it comes out, and
But
no.
it's a
So coming
fact.
back, I need some good music. So can you guys please post me some like nice names and DM? It gets lost. Okay, so just put it on one of the
I have a
last.
suggestion.
No, the last. What? Okay, what?
Why don't you like make a post saying new music and everyone likes it, so it's there on the post.
Would you like to do that?
I have some.
Send me some nice music, na Babu. I
That's like
really
stage.
She
need
just
some
said
nice
no
music.
when I was like.
And I keep introducing you to such lovely music all the time, so now you owe me. You have to give me good music. Hannah, what are they saying? Just completed Arya season 1. Aww, you just completed, matlab why you didn't watch it earlier?
You must have rewatched it, no?
बड़े
बड़े
अच्छे
अच्छे
लगते हैं.
Aww,
Beautiful soul.
thank you, Babu.